Welcome to Unity. Unity is used by people the world over to create 2D and 3D games and interactive experiences. We built Unity from the ground up to be a blank canvas for you to build whatever you can imagine. So if you're new to Unity, let's look at a few things that will help you get started. This is the Unity editor. This is where you will do most of your work. Add objects to your scene in 2D and 3D, and add built-in or script components to add functionality to your projects. Save, test, and iterate on your work immediately with the play controls. For more information on the editor, watch the beginner tutorials in the Learn section of our website. The Learn area hosts tutorials and resources broken out into topics and projects to help you get started and grow your Unity knowledge. We even offer a ground-up introduction to scripting for beginners that assumes no prior experience. In addition to the tutorial topics, we also offer weekly live training